So the first way to reduce any stress, anxiety, or nervousness about exams is to be prepared, right? Hello and hi everyone, Namaste and welcome back to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. Yes, so today I am going to talk about how to prepare for exams. As we all know that being prepared is to make ready beforehand. So I am going to share with you my secret tips that will help you to prepare for your exams. So let's get started. Number 1. Organize your study space. Organize your study space. Find a chair and desk that will allow good posture. Make sure everything is well organized. All of your study supplies and materials should be at hand whenever you need them, so that you don't waste your time searching for an eraser, sharpener, or a pencil. So there is a tip for you. Make your study space inspiring. Number 2. Develop a study plan. Develop a study plan. I mean develop a schedule. You can schedule your study sessions by adding your study session to your calendar. Plan out which subjects you will study on which day to ensure that you are devoting enough time to each subject. Tip for you. Don't forget to keep your alarm clock near you. Number 3. Focus on understanding. Focus on understanding. It is important to focus on just one topic when you study. Doing only one thing at a time, especially when you are studying, is a powerful way to become more productive. Example, if you are reading a book, don't go for writing. There is a tip for you. You can meditate for some time. Number 4. Clear your doubts. Clear your doubts. Having doubts during your studies is very normal and not unusual at all. So don't be afraid of your classmates laughing at you. Keep your questions ready. It is important to ask questions, no matter where you are and what you do. It is essential to question things around you that you do not understand. There is a tip for you. You cannot expect to learn more if you don't question. Number 5. Don't forget to take break. Take a break. Always remember to take breaks. Be sure to take brief breaks every so often to stretch, hydrate, and rest your mind. This will keep your brain fresh and help prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. So there is a tip for you. Eat healthy snacks when you are taking a break. Number 6. Test your knowledge. Test your knowledge. If you want to achieve the best score, you need to revise. This means that by revising a little but often. So how are you going to do that? Yes, wake up early. Use lecture slides, past papers, notes, etc. stop using technology and social media when you are preparing for your exam. Reread your notes and highlights. Take break between each topic. And yes, sleep well. Number 7, sleep well, which is very important. Sleep well. Make sure to get some good quality shut-eye for at least 6 hours. Sleep is more important than endlessly working hard. Tiredness won't help you perform, and so your brain needs time to process all the things you have been revising the day before. So there is a tip for you. Don't consume caffeine late in the day. Number 8. Don't take stress. Don't stress. Try to not to stress the day before exam or while preparing for your exam. There is a tip for you. If you are feeling overly stressed, talk to someone. Your parent, teacher, counselor, or your friend. You will feel better. And yes, keep your positive thoughts that I am going to try my best. I will do my best. Yes. And all the best for your exam. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है then please do hit the like button, share with your friends and family. And yes, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications for your upcoming videos. So तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video. And yes, please do not forget to subscribe. And